Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How have you been? Hope you all are fine. You all are doing well. And I'm pretty good also. So, let me tell you something about myself in brief. And then I will introduce a nice place of my university with you all. So, this is Mostofa Shrabon, but for you. And I'm a student of Islamic University, Bangladesh. And it's been over 5 months I was out of my university. So after 5 months I came my university first time. So after coming my university I found many places, many change in my university. So now I'm going to tell you something about the place I'm standing right now at the very moment. So the place you see here, this is called Mofis Lake in my university. So actually in our views, in the eyes of the students of this university, Mofis Lake is the best places. Mofis Lake is the most beautiful place of this university, and especially I don't know why is it called Mofis Lake, but after admitting this university I found the place, everyone calls the place Mofis Lake, so I have learned that I have to call the place as Mofis Lake. So actually the natural beauty of the Mofis Lake can't be described in words. It's very beautiful. And recently our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Harun Rashid Askari sir, he had changed the outlook of this university. Actually we the students, especially all the students, I can say it, undoubtedly that most of the students of this university, they are very fond of Dr. Harun Rashid Askari sir, because he is the best Vice Chancellor of this university we have ever got. The students of this university ever got in their lifetime, and undoubtedly it can be said because he has done a lot of things. He has owned our heart, and you see he has made a beautiful lake. It's called Mofis Lake, and especially in the afternoon time most of the students, they come here for enjoying their leisure time, as well as some visitors from neighboring villages, as well as from other districts, they come here to enjoy their time. So after a long time I came here, and I can't describe how much beautiful it has been now. It has been really very beautiful, so I like it very much. I'm enjoying it. So if you ever get any chance to visit in this university, it is Islamic University. So if you ever get any chance to visit this university, I think you should not miss this place. And this is Mofis Lake, one of the most beautiful places of Bangladesh. So you people are cordially welcome in my university, but not now, because coronavirus pandemic has spread out all over the world. So you have to be cautious. Though I am out, but I have taken some measures, safety measures. But you see there is no one around me, and that's why I'm roaming here and there just in my university. So I'm enjoying a lot. After a long time I have come here. So at the end of my words, before concluding my words, I want to say that if you ever get any opportunity to visit or to admit in this university, you should not miss this university, because this is one of the most beautiful universities in especially all over Bangladesh, as well as I can say it is one of the best universities in South Asia. And so what should I say? What more I say? I wanna just show you some beauty of my university. You can have a look, and you can enjoy a snippet. You can enjoy some views of these places. So really it is very enjoyable. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And this was Mostofa Shrabon from Islamic University, Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.